Gotta get the Spotify going. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey. Oh, good baby. So cute. I'm using my little Canon Powershot as my vlog camera this weekend. But I figured that this is kind of a lower quality camera so that I could use it for vlogs instead. So, it's lit. Okay, so I don't really want to wear black bottoms. Gosh, I don't know what to wear. There's I have a Victoria's Secret one here, another one here. This is a Walmart one, this blue one. I don't know where this is from. These are bottoms patterned. Another Victoria's Secret. Gotta go wash the car. Gotta put the sunshade up. Ah! Okay, so change of plans. I was about to wash my car, but we don't have any sponges, so I'm gonna run up to the dollar store and grab some sponges, and then I'll be able to wash the car. And it is 10:27 right now, and I'm just gonna take my mom's vehicle, so I'm adjusting the seats up. I pressed the wrong thing! We made it to the dollar store. So, we got our sponge. They only had one, and it's kind of weird looking, but I feel like it'll still work, so. Tigger. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm on the way. It's puppy. I'm on the way to the beach right now to meet Samantha. My other friend Drew was gonna go, but she's not able to go anymore because she has work, which is very sad. But I will still see her tomorrow because we're going to graduation together. So I'm just on the way to the beach right now, and it's kind of cloudy, but I'm hoping that maybe it'll be a little bit sunny out there. I don't really know. So we're just gonna go check it out. I'll still get sun even if it's a little bit cloudy, but we'll just see how that goes. So on the way to the beach, and I will update you guys when I get there. So I made it to the beach and I just parked, and Samantha said she forgot her wallet, so she had to go back and get it. So I'm just chilling until she gets here, and it's cloudy. I thought it would maybe be sunnier out here, but it's not. It's still cloudy, but that's okay. We're still gonna have a bomb time. It's gonna be fun, and we're gonna hang out and chat and maybe go swimming or something. I don't know, but yeah. There's not really many people out here. She made it! Woo! Hi! What's up? How are you? You're so happy! You want to introduce yourself to the people of YouTube? Go. Huh? What's your name?
The eagle has landed.
This is Jaren. Say hi, Jaren. Wait.
Tell them what you did today, Jaren.
Is it gonna go on YouTube?
Yes. Yes.
Can I be on YouTube?
Yes. How's the weather?
Cloudy, with a chance of happiness.
How's the weather, Jared? No. Your mom joke stop now. It's sunny.
In 4 hours. Bet you're about $1. There's more sunshine.
My friend Nicole down the beach. It's not good zooming in, but she's down there. Hi guys, so I haven't vlogged in a while, but after the beach, me and Samantha went to Taco Bell. I got a chicken quesadilla and it was delicious. So I'm just about to go home now, and I might go somewhere with my parents. I don't really know yet, but that's the update. And I got to take some cute pics at the beach, and it was a good time. So, hey guys, so I'm just about to go to dinner with my parents, and I decided to wear this romper that I got from TJ Maxx, and I just washed and blow dried my hair so it's straight, and we've got the usual jewelry going on, the watch and the Lily and Laura bracelet, and my rose gold one from Disney. This is from Disney World. So we're just wearing the romper, and I've got this little tassel necklace on with it, and I don't have shoes on yet, so I need to get shoes. Gold sandals, because I feel like these would match really well with my outfit. So we're just gonna put those on. I think we're going to eat Mexican food. Even though I just had Taco Bell, I'm just gonna eat some chips and kind of just watch them eat, I think. So it'll be a good time.
And grab a sweater.
Oh. Dinner at Mexican. Oh, we dropped cheese. Hey guys, so I'm home now, and I'm about to edit some footage from today and just go online. So, and there's Tigger. Come on. Come on. You sweet baby. Not on my laptop. Tigger. Hey guys, so it's graduation day, and I'm waiting on Drew to come pick me up, and then we're gonna go. Starbucks. What's your name?
Drew.
And how's the weather?
It's really hot outside.
And what are we doing today?
We're going to graduation.
We got our dresses on. We made it,
That's enough walking.
but they made us throw our Starbucks drinks away, and we're so mad. We're so mad. And she paid like $6. $6. Nicole. 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 Want to be in the video? Say hi. It's for YouTube. Hello. How's the weather? Say hi. Vlogging. Hi. My feet are killing me. Update on the feet, Kat. Not doing well. Update. Thumbs down. And the Starbucks is gone. Full drink. Full. We just went to McGuire's.
We were eating with Jay's family, and his dad is a hoot.
And it was a good time.
Yeah, we didn't eat our food.
Post-graduation lunch. Check. And now we're going home.
Yeah.
Red Lobster.
With Mexican music in the background.
With what?
Mexican music in the background.